China is demanding the release of Meng Wanzhou, an official with Huawei Telecommunications. Meng is also a daughter of the company's founder. She was detained in Canada last weekend at the request of the United States. In Iran, a Sunni group claims responsibility for a suicide bombing at a police headquarters. At least 2 policemen were killed in the attack. And in Sweden, talks aimed at ending Yemen's civil war opened with the internationally recognized government and Houthi rebels agreeing to exchange prisoners.